Hey guys, and welcome back to the Life Made Easy podcast. As always, I'm Tim, I'm here, and I'm with
Scott, as usual.
Yep. So we've got an exciting podcast for you guys today. We're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Is that phone the greatest concept smartphone? Is it the world's greatest smartphone in general? Or is it just not great?
Or is it just mediocre?
It's just mediocre.
We'll be talking about that in this episode, but before we get into that, shout out to New Mobile for sending me out the Budget X6 Android smartphone. Thank you, New Mobile, for sending that out, and I'll be doing a review on that shortly. And before we get into the discussion about the Galaxy Z Flip, we have Question of the Day, which is a traditional segment we have on here. I have a question. Do you have a question this episode?
Not this episode.
Okay, so this will be my turn. Question of the day is, how do you feel about Apple denying you for your Apple credit card?
All right, so guys and ladies, being a college student, I have a lower income, and I've been getting a lot of credit cards recently. Credit cards get a bad rap, but I like, especially being a college student, make a lot of money over the summer. It's that way during the school year, I spend a lot of money and go into a little bit of debt, but then over the summer, I'm able to pay it off.
Right.
Now, what happened to me, I went to the Apple store, so I've lost my AirPods case, and I needed a new one. So I knew I had to get that. And when I was in there, I was like, might as well also get the Apple card, get this, 3% cash back?
In Apple stores.
Yep. So I figured might as well get the extra cash back. Never failed a credit card application before. Go on the website, fill everything out. I was denied. It hurts, Scott. It hurts.
So does that change your opinion on Apple as a
Yeah, I'm
company?
leaving the walled garden. It's over.
I still don't buy it.
I think that it was the best financial decision for Goldman Sachs. Actually made the decision, the bank that backs the Apple Card.
Yep.
I think it was the best financial decision for Goldman Sachs. Understandably, I do have a low income being a college student. And
High MPC.
So I do have a high marginal propensity to consume, which means I'm going to spend a lot of their money, and it's going to be very difficult for me to pay off these loans, ideally. Or not ideally, but like in the theoretical world.
Yeah.
So it made sense for me to be denied. I'm not that hurt over it. I'll apply in a few months.